Going to begin, though, with a major deal overnight. JPMorgan Chase buying embattled First Republic Bank, which was near collapse.
Deal reached just hours ago in time for the markets to open after a weekend-long scramble to find a buyer. Chief Business Correspondent Rebecca Jarvis starts us off from Wall Street. Good morning, Rebecca.
Good morning to you, George. And it is highly unusual to see a bank of this magnitude go under. First Republic had been teetering on the brink of collapse for months, and this morning it has a new owner.
Overnight, the third bank to fail in the U.S. since March. Financial regulators seizing control of First Republic Bank and striking a deal to sell it off. JPMorgan Chase acquiring all deposits and substantially all assets held by California-based First Republic, including 84 First Republic branches that will reopen as JPMorgan branches. JPMorgan CEO saying in a statement, "Our government invited us and others to step up, and we did."
First Republic has been teetering ever since Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank were closed back in early March. So it is highly unusual to see, especially this magnitude of number of banks that are being brought into receivership by the FDIC. But based on our analysis of the banking industry, this was the last of the ones that should face significant challenges.
Shares of First Republic, the country's 14th largest commercial bank as of last year, plunging 75% last week after the bank reported customers withdrew more than $100 billion in deposits in the wake of the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank in March.
It is difficult, nearly impossible for any bank to survive that type of deposit outflow of their core deposits. So them being closed and going into receivership last night shouldn't be viewed as a shock and awe and a surprise to the banking industry. So I'm not expecting contagion to occur.
And the Treasury Department telling ABC News it is encouraged by the fact that JPMorgan has now bought First Republic, that all depositors in this will be made whole. And that's a very important thing to remember here. Despite the fact we've seen these three major bank failures now, depositors, people with their money in bank accounts at these companies, they have all been made whole. They've all been able to access their money despite the failures of the banks themselves. Robin?
That is encouraging news, Rebecca. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.